morning actually. I've just woken up, taken my breakfast, freshened up, and I'm like, it is a Friday. I'm like, okay, let me get ready with you. So I want you to get ready with me. I already freshened up, so let's do my makeup together. So it has been long actually. I did makeup on camera, but let's do it as we catch up. So start by definitely combing my eyebrows. Actually, I'm supposed to shape my eyebrows up. I really don't shape them. Okay, sometimes I do, but for now you see they've really grown a lot. I have a guy, my guy who does that. I only have actually one guy. Like I don't cheat when it comes to my eyebrows. It's only him. I'd rather let them be bushy, but I wait for him or until I get time for me to meet him. So I'm using a Davis number. Which number? Oh my god, number 3 eye pencil. Usually, let me show you, eye pencil is sharp. So I've already done my eyebrows, so I'm going to the skin. Actually, today's makeup, it's a very easy, like kind of easy everyday makeup routine. And okay, my face is really improving actually, despite that there's some, popping pimple acne there. But it's okay also because it's also that time of the month. The products I got the other day, they're really helping me. I can see a very big improvement. So next, I'll go to cleanser, and I'm using this Fair and White. Is it Dimmer? Or something like that. It's a cleanser. It's really working for me. So I'll just put a little on a cotton pad and go tap in. Sometimes just dealing with acne prone skin, oh my god, it's just hectic. I know the struggle and all that. Today you wake up, your face is cool. Tomorrow you wake up with a lot of popping pimples. But despite it, we manage it. Next, I tone. Actually, see this cleanser. There is a way it just, I don't know, it just changes it, everything, you can tell there is a very big difference. So next, I'm going to tone, and I'm using this Dr. C Toner Activated Charcoal for Minimizer Toner. Like these products are just working for me, they're just doing it for my skin. And remember, anything on your product, any product on your face, use circular motion or the tap in. So usually I use the circular motion. Then I tap in. Don't mind on that wrap on my head because I want them edges to lay. To serum, and I'm using this BioBalance Super Serum Pod on Sizer. Like guys, trust me when I tell you these products are just doing it for my skin. They're giving it all. Remember, don't let this something touch your skin or touch your face. Actually, it's not the right way to use your serum. You're supposed to put it on your fingers, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just being lazy here. I don't know what I'm doing. So, using circular motion, I rub it on my skin. Look at that nice glow that this serum gives the skin. Then, after rubbing all over, now tap in. going to moisturizer, and I'm using this Dr. Organic nail gel. Like, trust me guys, these products, you know, they're just working it for me. A moisturizer and a sunscreen. Like, just look how skin prep is so good for your skin, you know. It just makes you feel like you can literally walk like that, but I'm not gonna walk like that. So I'm gonna do some makeup. Next I'm going to oh my god, what's the name of this? Guys, actually it has been forever, like me being on me doing makeup. I'm going to foundation. I've put my foundation, is it on my palm or behind my hand, but I've put it there. So I use a small brush to apply it. I don't apply it all over because this foundation dries so fast, so I apply first one part of the face. Am I making sense? I apply one part, then I go to the other. So before like using my brush on the face, I usually put some LA shimmer spray. Like, it just gives you that little glow. This is just a beauty secret, just a little on the brush, and sometimes I usually put a little there, and you know, just blend it in. Look at that coverage, and I've just used actually a little. And remember, you want that flawless look. Like, take your time in blending if you're using a brush or if you're using a beauty blender. I don't know guys, like I just realized of late, if I use a brush, it gives me that flawless makeup, but if I use a beauty blender, it gives me, I don't know, but it is, my makeup is not that flawless. So I prefer, nowadays I prefer a foundation brush than a beauty blender, because I don't intend to conceal my under eyes. So with the same foundation brush I've used, I'll just go and apply it on my under eyes and on my eyelids as well. Remember, this is that like my kind of everyday quick fix makeup. After I've finished applying the foundation, I go in with a face powder, and for my case I'm using an LA face powder. This is the exact shade as my skin tone, and I go apply it all over my face. This you have to do it immediately because you have to set the foundation in, you know. So because I just applied the foundation everywhere, I'll go applying the powder all over. Because I have a very oily skin, I'll not leave it there. So I'll go in with my baking powder, and for my case I'm using a banana, and using a beauty blender. My beauty blender is not that damp actually, so I'll just go and blow off the excess, and, you know, just press on my under eyes because I don't want that area to crease. I do the same also on my eyelids. I'll do the same also to the other eye. Then just try and set on the area that I tend to sweat a lot again, my cheekbones. And also my nose area. This part of my nose, I do sweat a lot there. And not forgetting my forehead as well. Remember guys, I'm not baking, you know, so because I'm just doing it, if you don't have an oily skin, skip this part, like after putting your foundation, your face powder, you're good to go like that. But if you have an oily face, just continue do this. Then next I'm going to contour, and I'm using a Pharmacy contour palette. It's number 16. Actually this contour is too dark for my tone, but it's a little. Avoid that harsh contour line on my nose, I'll just go with a small fluffy brush and just try to blend it in. With the exact setting powder I used, or the exact baking powder I used, I'll just go and set in that contour line. Again, I'll reverse contour on my cheekbone. Set on my under eye again. And just press that excess one on my forehead. Not really necessary, but I'm just pressing it because it's there. And then next I'm fixing my falsies. Then I'll just go and remove the excess or where the part I baked. Into lipstick, and I'm using Colourpop in the shade Ariba. Then lastly, I'm going to set everything in, and I'm using a Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. Take it, pull your setting spray a little far from you, and close your eyes. And there I am, already dressed, ready for, is it slaying or ready for the road? I'm so ready. So let me try and show you my fit of the day. So I'm dressed casually, actually, with some not that much rush, shirt, sweater, my LV bag, and my Converse rubbers ready to slay. Let's catch up later.